In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to activate a plan. So, the first step you need to do is log into your Wholesale2B account. Before paying and activating a plan, take some time to review the products, their wholesale prices and shipping costs. If you like what you see, then you can purchase a plan and start selling immediately. There are over 1 million products from 95 different suppliers that are integrated with our company. You can browse any products you want. To see more information on a product, you can click on Details. If you want to search for a specific product, there are search filters you can use. You can search by the price filter, the shipping location, by suppliers, or by categories. You can also search for high profit products, low shipping, recently sold, recently added, and by keywords. You can even browse products by their suppliers. Click on the supplier page, and it will display the number of products each supplier has. It will also display suppliers who provide a UPC code or map pricing. Once you're happy with what you see, click on a plan. For example, dropship on eBay. Over here are the different plans you can get. You can dropship on eBay, dropship on Amazon, download CSV files, dropship website plan, which means the company will create a website for you, dropship on Shopify, dropship on BigCommerce, on WooCommerce, on Aqid, on Weebly, and lastly the final plan, you can purchase Dropship Analytics to help you target buyers and increase your sales. Every plan is different, so before purchasing a plan, read through the plan. Now, let's say I want to activate the Dropship on eBay plan. Once you get to this page, there are 4 steps that explain what the plan is and how it works. And then as you scroll down, the prices of the plan will appear. If you choose the yearly plan, you will save 40% compared to paying monthly. As you continue to scroll down, there is an FAQ section where you can check out questions that are frequently asked about the plan. This page layout is the same for every plan. Once you're happy with what you see and you want to activate a plan, click on Activate Now. By default, it is set to pay monthly, but you can switch to paying yearly, which will save you 40%, and if you have a discount code, sometimes they are given out. Enter it here, click Apply and click on Next. Then choose your payment method, and after you have paid, your plan will automatically be activated and will have a green tick such as this plan. And you can access your plan by clicking on its page. An example is Dropship on Shopify. I have already activated this plan beforehand. Your page will look like this. And you can follow these steps to get started. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorial videos.